Hello everyone, today we will learn simplification of terms. Imagine ordering items in a stationery shop, like give a pen, a notebook, another notebook and two pens. Confusing, right? Instead, we naturally group them together and say give 4 pens and 2 notebooks. In Algebra, we call this simplification of terms. We can combine or subtract things that are exactly alike. Here is step-by-step process for simplification. First, we have to identify like terms, then group them together. Next, combine or subtract coefficient of like terms. Next, keep unlike terms as they are. And finally, we will get our simplified expression. Before moving forward, let us recall like terms. Like terms have exact same variable and exact same power. Order doesn't matter and only constant like 7 and 9 are like terms. Now we will simplify this expression. Let us first identify like terms. Here 5x and 3x are like terms because they have same variable and same power. Similarly, twice y plus y are like terms. Now we will group them. 5x plus 3x together and twice y plus y together. Next we will combine. 5 plus 3, 8. So 8x plus 2 plus 1, 3, 3y. So this is our simplified expression. We cannot further simplify it because they both are unlike terms. If there is no number in front of a variable, then its coefficient is actually 1. And if we see just a plain letter like x, then its power is invisible 1. Our next expression. Don't panic seeing a long expression. Just follow the golden rule. We will first identify the like terms. So 8x square and minus 3x square are like terms because they have both same variable and same power. 8x is single and next minus 6 and 11 are constant, so they are also like term. We will group them. 8x square minus 3x square together plus 8x plus 11 minus 6. Now we will do the operation. 8 minus 3, 5. 5x square plus 8x plus 11 minus 6, 5. This is our final answer because we cannot further simplify this. All these are unlike terms. Sometimes terms are hiding inside the bracket. Then we have to apply distributive property. We must multiply the number outside by everything inside. Let us simplify one such expression. First, we will distribute to clear the bracket. 6ab plus 8 minus 4ba plus 5. Now we will identify like terms. Here 6ab and minus 4ba are like terms because they have same variable and same power. Don't get confused with the order because order doesn't matter. Next 8 and 5 are like terms because both are constant. Now we will group them. 6ab minus 4ab plus 8 plus 5. So 6 minus 4, 2, twice ab plus 8 plus 5 is 13. This is our final simplified expression. Now final challenge for you.